It's fluid, it's fast, the orders come in. You know, we don't have to get to grips with technology because it instantly works. It's second nature because it's like working off your phone. You just scan it and it takes you to a web page. You know, I think a lot of people have gone, oh, not another app. And I'm like, no, it's not an app. You just go to a site. So you don't have to download anything. We actually thought after lockdown, would it be a bit quieter? How were people going to order? But it's perfect. Sales for this time of the year, spot on. It's way more efficient not having customers stand in front of you because you are literally dealing with the orders. They've just gone out so fast. I think we had 100 orders in 10 minutes. Ain't a problem for us now, so sales are great. We've got loads more staff, so we've got more people on the books. That's really good. So we're growing a team, and that's a really positive thing to come out of it. Yeah, really love that fact because a lot of people obviously worried about their jobs this time of the year. The notes is quite a nice little touch because obviously you put the notes feature in probably to say, can I have extra hot, no coriander, takeaway, whatever. But what we found is a nice way to communicate with customers because we don't deal with that anymore. And so you still gain more communication with the fact that they write these lovely notes like, we really miss you guys, haven't seen you since lockdown. And that means more than anything, to be honest with you. And serving the sticky beef and fried chicken because people love that the most.